Hello and welcome. Today, I'll guide you through how to download songs from YouTube Music on Samsung. This method is super convenient because you'll be able to listen to your favorite songs even without an internet connection. To get started, open the YouTube Music app on your Samsung phone. The process is same on any Android. Find the first song you want to download, then tap the three dots on the right side. Select Save to Playlist. Personally, I like to save all the songs I plan to download into a playlist first. You can repeat this process to add more songs to the same playlist. Once you have all your songs in there, click on bottom right library button. Then click on the playlist. Press the download button on the left. Keep in mind, you'll need a YouTube Premium subscription to download music. It's a paid service. If you only want to download a single song instead of a playlist, simply find a song, tap the three dots on the right, and select Download. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.